Well, here's my 1942 Ford GPW World War II Jeep. On Anzac morning we were driving to Cuttable for the dawn parade, and a chunk of tread fell off the tyre. So I don't know how old this tyre is. It doesn't have a date stamp on it. Some of the other tyres have a date stamp, 333. That means it was made in the 33rd week of a year before 2000, so it could be 1993, it could be 1983. So as it's 2025, that's a pretty old tyre. So I've got 5 new tyres and tubes, and I'm going to swap them out. Well, there you have it, the old combat rim, sweet rim.